What happens when two of the craziest hybrid hypercars on the planet go head-to-head in a drag race? On one side, the insane Ferrari SF90 XX. On the other, the brutal and futuristic Koenigsegg Regera. Over 2,500 horsepower combined, cutting-edge hybrid tech, and one simple question: which one is faster over the quarter mile? Let's find out. Let's start with the Ferrari. The SF90 XX packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with 3 electric motors. Combined power, 1,030 horsepower and 804 Newton-meters of torque. Its all-wheel drive comes with an 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox and weighs around 1,700 kilograms. And yes, it's brutally quick off the line. Now let's talk about the monster from Sweden. The Regera is on another level. It has a 5.0-liter twin-turbo V8, also paired with 3 electric motors. But here's the crazy part: 1,500 horsepower and 2,000 Newton-meters of torque. And instead of a traditional gearbox, it uses a single-speed transmission system. No gears, just pure acceleration.
Destroyed it. No chance. Literally no chance, it's so fast.
The Ferrari absolutely nails the launch. Perfect traction, instant acceleration. Meanwhile, the Regera struggles with wheel spin and power delivery. Result: Ferrari destroys it, not even close. But here's where things get interesting. The Regera isn't performing at full power. Because of its unique hybrid system and transmission, it starts overheating, and when that happens, the car limits its own performance. So instead of using all 1,500 horsepower, it holds back. That's a huge disadvantage in a drag race. They go again. This time, the Regera launches better. But then, the Ferrari driver makes a mistake. Missed shift, lost momentum. And just like that, the Regera takes the win. Now it's 1-1. Come on. Third run, and the Ferrari comes back strong. Clean launch, perfect traction, while the Regera once again starts to lose power toward the end. Ferrari wins again, and this time it's clear: consistency beats raw power.
I know it's picking up speed. Limited.
So, what are the official numbers? Ferrari SF90 XX, 10.2 seconds. Koenigsegg Regera, 11.3 seconds. That's a full second difference. Now, here's where things flip. In a rolling race from higher speeds, the Regera finally shines. No traction issues, no launch limitations, just raw power unleashed. And it starts pulling hard. This is where the Regera becomes a missile. So what did we learn? The Ferrari SF90 XX is perfect for drag races. Easy launch, consistent performance, advanced AWD system. The Koenigsegg Regera is a different beast. Insane power, unique engineering, but struggles from a standstill. Final verdict: drag race winner, Ferrari SF90 high-speed king, Koenigsegg Regera. If you love crazy hypercar battles like this, hit like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which one would you choose, Ferrari or Koenigsegg.